is an incredibly healthy citrus grapefruit tree that, look at that giant trunk. Here's my hand for comparison. It's just big and it's healthy and it's tall, and you would need one of those basket hooks to harvest. And I'm standing in under the canopy. And if you look at, yes, some sun gets in, but there's no sunscald on the trunk because it's allowed to shade its trunk. This trunk doesn't get sun all day long, burning and blistering its skin. So yes, you want to leave these nice big branches to help shade the tree. But what you can prune, even in the dead of winter, is any dead wood. So here's some dead branches on the inside of this tree, and look how easy they are. Just you can snap them off. You probably, like this one, I'm gonna have to come in with a saw and cut it right next to the trunk. That's pruning 101. But you want to get rid of this dead snarl because the tree is trying to heal around it and having a hard time. But the other thing is that can stab you when you're wandering around in here harvesting all your lovely, lovely grapefruits. Now, this particular tree, I've known it for a long time. I come and harvest like once a month. It will have fruit ripening clear into July and new fruit growing. So if you give your fruit a gentle tug and it comes off in your hand, it's ripe. And harvesting would be a lot easier if I got rid of that dead wood. But take care of your citrus and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching Gardening with Soule.